Hi there, my name is Oscar Wanka, and today we're gonna learn three more sounds. The first the first sound is pa. Uh, this is a sound on the occlusive sounds. So let's practice. Pack, pat, page, paint, park, part, pop, piece, pet, place, plan, please, plus, point, port, post, prepare, present, puff, pat, cap, chip, chip, chop, clap, drip, drop, flap, group, gulp, help, jump, keep, map, shape, sharp, shop, slip, step, sweep, speak, spear, speech, spell, span, spent, spider, spear, spin, spit, spite, spoil, spoke, spree, spy. The next sound is b, b. This is another consonant, and that's its sound. And let's practice. Bacon, bag, bake, bakery, banana, basil, bat, beef, berry, beverage, biscuit, blade, boil, bone, bottle, bread, breakfast, broil, burn, button, cap, clap, crab, describe, start, doorknob, globe, grab, job, pub, rib, rope, robe, wrap, scrub, soap, tub, tube, verb, web, absorb, babe, baby, barber, basket, bathtub, believable, Bible, billboard, blackboard, bulb, bubble, bulb, probable, and subscribe. And the last sound that we're gonna see is the sound of the consonant T. Let's practice. The first ones are the words that start with this consonant. The next sounds are the sounds that ends with this consonant, and the last words are the sounds that has this sound in the middle. The first, let's practice. T, take, tail, tell, talk, tip, tape, task, teach, taught, town, table, today, Tuesday, tomorrow, technical, telephone, television, tobacco, terrible, airport, card, ticket, seat, bed, blanket, depart, comfort, pilot, jet, flight, hate, note, distant, jacket, equipment, exit, frequent, greet, light, stable, staff, stage, stamp, stand, is star, steady, stick, steam, step, stereo, steel, stomach, stone, storm, straight, strange, strawberry, strip, style. With this we end this video.